What actually goes inside there if it is not a secret?
No, it's not a secret. There's no secret anywhere. We talk about mysteries with God, but there's no secret in anything.
Okay.
When the Pope dies, or the seat of Peter becomes vacant, all cardinal electors, that means cardinals who are under 80 years, are invited to Rome. It's not a question, therefore, of voting by proxy. Okay? You need to be there physically.
Okay.
So they come to Rome. Normally, lately for the past few years, we try to keep a number of about 120 electors.
Okay.
At any particular event, it may be slightly less or whatever.
Okay.
In the last two conclaves, we just had about 115 and 118, whatever. So they are invited to Rome, and they come to Rome. What do? They hold a series of meetings, okay, for a week or two, to try to create a vision about the Catholic Church in the world. What is the Catholic Church in the world today? Okay? They try to inform themselves. So coming from different parts of the world, each one comes with his contribution about what the church is. So it's to create a global vision of the Catholic Church. On the basis of that, they sometimes propose suggestions and solutions. And then they go into prayer, a kind of retreat. Have somebody to come preach. Tell them about the importance of the task that is ahead of them, and give exhortation and advice. When the day comes for them to go into the conclave, they go in there, okay, each one dressed in a red, whatever type of thing, and then when they get in there, the last exhortation, the last preaching is done. Okay, a preacher is invited to again remind them about the gravity of the work ahead of them and all of that. When that preaching is done, each one goes up to take an oath or express an oath that in the exercise ahead, he will express his position not influenced by anybody or anything, but by his own mind and conscience.
Who proposes the name of who can be proposed?
No, nobody proposes a name. No name is proposed at the conclave. People come in there, nobody proposes a name. It's not a question of shortlisting anything.
So nothing happens like it was in the Bible when they had to replace Barabbas, Judas Iscariot, the throwing of the lots.
No, sir, it doesn't take that form.
It doesn't take that form.
It doesn't take that form.
Okay.
So everybody comes and, each one goes one by one. You go, there's a formula, you swear that you vote according to whatever type of thing, and then you put in the thing. So that way they count also those who are in there.